Hi guys, and welcome to today's video, which is going to be on the Kindle Paperwhite. But first, I like books, all types of books. This is a kind of like businessy, self-helpy kind of book. This is the personal MBA. As you can see, it's a bit weathered at the moment. But reading books as I got older became more difficult. And it's because of working and all sorts of other things going on. And it got put to the wayside. And like from reading books as a kid to then just moving over and watching TV and playing video games, it kind of became one of the like things that get pushed behind in your life. And that's basically where books have stayed. I've bought them in between that time to now, and like this is actually a semi-recent purchase. I buy stuff from the airport when I'm there, obviously need something to read, and I've never thought to use my phone and actually read a book using the Kindle app or whatever website. You can actually get like freely available books to read just on a website. Obviously it's like really small writing and everything, and yeah, you could do that. I never bothered. I thought, don't have the time, it needs a lot of investment. There are books that I've got, like some business books where I've actually just scanned pages that I need, and the rest of it I've just let it like gather dust. When Kindles and other e-readers came out, I thought to myself, you know what, maybe I could get one. So that was actually a long time ago, and now I'm in the stage of my life where I can actually spend a bit more time on books, and I can spend some quality time away from the television, because there's actually nothing good on TV anymore. I got myself a Kindle, and this is actually secondhand. I didn't actually buy this brand new, and it was like really cheap. And I thought to myself, do you know what, I'm going to test it out. If I like it, I'll actually get a better version. This has actually blown my mind. I thought I was a slow reader, to be honest with you, but I can read at the average pace. The kind of books that I'm reading do have some how can I put it without sounding stupid? Have some interesting types of words in there, which is like mainly Old English kind of stuff, and some with foreign language names and places and stuff like that. And it's been brilliant, but the only thing that's let it down is the backlight. There is no actual backlight. So it's actually on at the moment. In the standby mode. Okay, so there we've got, okay, this is Oliver Twist here, if you can see that, and you can read that because there's light in the room. But if I was reading this in bed or in my car, obviously not while I'm driving, but when work is a bit slow, I just whip this out, and I've got a little LED torch that I use to actually read through, but that gets a bit annoying at times, and then I have to put it away. But the good thing is that it's pocketable, and the strange thing is, before I bought this, about two or 3 years ago, I actually bought a Amazon Fire HD, which is a color tablet which fits in the pocket. It's actually narrower than this, and it was able to have the Kindle app on it, and I didn't realize, I didn't take any advantage of it. And that is actually, obviously, that's just me not actually doing my research in it. The advantage of having an actual device specifically for reading, much like a book, is that there's no distractions, whereas on a tablet or on an iPad, you'd get a lot of distractions. So let me just switch this off. So what did I do about the light situation? I did actually get my iPad, and I was able to then use my iPad uh, with the Kindle app and carry on with like reading at night, and that was good. But this is heavy, and the size is actually pretty decent, but it's just too heavy, and this isn't the kind of thing you want to take into the bathroom with you, and you don't want to have this in the car with you, and just forget about it on the passenger seat. So no, that's not good, and I can't put it in my pocket either. So what do? That's right, I get the Kindle Paperwhite. So we're going to open this now, and let's have a look at the spec on this. Okay, so this is a 6-inch touch display with 300 dpi, so that's more than the 116 or 160, whatever it is on here. So it should have better picture quality if you are going to look at some graphic novels like comics or manga or whatever else. Now there's a problem with that as well, because this is a single color screen, so this is black and white basically. Right, so it's waterproof, so it's IPX8, 2 meters for half an hour, for 60 minutes of submerged in the water. We are going to test this, but not in this video. And then it's got a built-in light. Okay, so this I'll be able to read in dark environments, which I am mainly in, on the plane, in the car, in my bedroom, and possibly even in night travel along, on trains and stuff like that. And then obviously it's got Wi-Fi, and it's got 8 gigabytes of hard drive space. So the 8 gigabytes of space on here should basically cover you for a lot of books. And I'm really looking forward to using this. Now I'm actually hoping that the battery is charged on this, because I'm going to take it out for its first ever test run. Okay, so it comes like this. We have some Kindle paperwork. We have a charging cable. And the charging cable also allows you to connect directly to your computer, and you can drag and drop your PDFs and other ebooks onto the device. And now, as you can see, I've gone for a completely different color. Okay, so let's just peel that off. Ooh, come on. Wow, it's actually tiny. Is it the same size? Let's check. Oh, that feels so nice. It's got a nice rubberized feel to it. So let me just get the other one. Okay, there's a slight difference. So if I put... It is about... God, that's not even much, is it? That's like 5 millimeters, maybe 5 millimeter difference. And now the other difference with this, apart from the size and the internals, this is 4 gigabytes in hard drive space, and this one is obviously 8 gigabytes, but the screen on this is recessed in. Now I actually do like that, but for a overall unified body, this is actually all... Let me just throw that away. This is actually just all one piece, so it's just one flush glass. So let's switch this bad boy on. Is it on? No, it's not. Come on. There we go. Switching on for us now. Yeah, I really do like this rubberized feel. It's actually it feels kind of premium. Obviously, it's a plastic device. It's only slightly bigger, The width is pretty much the same. Hold on, let me just check that. Yeah, I can confirm the width is actually the same. So I'm just going to choose my country of origin. Get started. The picture quality looks actually a lot sharper from the actual text itself. Says weeks of battery life. I hope so. Now I need to transfer some PDFs and comics and a couple other things on here to test them out, but I'm hoping that it will come out absolutely fine and it will work. EPUB doesn't seem to work. I've tried it on the other one. It's a shame because I want to be able to use those with this, but you have to use another program to actually convert those files into the Amazon preferred format or PDF or whatever else. Okay, that's still loading. Now these devices aren't meant to be really fast, and the whole idea is that it's an actual okay, 56% battery life. That's not too bad at all. I'm liking that. So I'm just putting my password in. Okay, now the beauty of the Amazon app on my phone, on my iPad, and on my Kindle that I've just thrown back there is that it can synchronize wherever I was on whichever device I was to the others when I actually open the program or use the device. Obviously, everything is synced via your account, so it's always good to log in. I think you can use these without actually logging in, but I'm not too sure at what levels of success you'll get with that. Yay, I'm in finally. Now I've got to verify my bloody account. Okay, so on my phone and on my device, I've got to put in the... Oops, that's too many. Okay, and I'm in. Hello, Ansar. Your Kindle time is set to 17:01. Tap here to adjust this. No, thank you. I'll just continue. Unfortunately, I can't kill all the lights. So, I won't be able to show you this in the dark, or I may. No, I won't be able to. Okay, so now because I've got Kindle books already on my account. Sorry, it's just trying to sell me Kindle Unlimited or whatever it is. Connect to Bluetooth. It's got Bluetooth on here. Did the other one have Bluetooth? I think so. Let's set that up later. There's a lot of things to actually add on, which is annoying. And scroll through. I'm done. Updating your home experience. Way. Okay. So now you could have the version that does not have the adverts, but you can actually pay for that afterwards if you wanted to. But it's not really going to be too much of a problem. The other one doesn't have adverts because I think I disabled them myself from the menu. But if you want to know how to do that, and if I can do it back on this, I'll make a video on it. So I'll put your comments in the comments section below and we can get that organized. Okay, so your next great read is waiting. You think so? Okay. Where are we? Click on home. And there I have everything that I'm currently reading. So I've got the original Planet of the Apes, science, a sciencey book, and a couple other things. And let's see if I can switch these lights off. Let's go. 1, 2. It's still on. Okay, it is actually on. So I'm gonna put the lights back on. Okay, so the light is actually on, and if I just go, how do you do it? Okay, click on settings. The brightness is down to 18 at the moment. I can actually put it down a lot lower, and I could still read in the dark. That's pretty good. So if I leave it on 5, that means my battery life won't suffer too much. Let me sync my Kindle, just make sure everything is synced. It says Ansar's third Kindle. Why is it my third Kindle? I need to change the name on this. I wonder how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to my account and I'm changing my... Okay, Ansar's main Kindle. Save that. And there we have it. Everything else seems to be pretty straightforward. It's exactly the same. I haven't done a video on the other Kindle because it was secondhand and there was no box with it. I've finally done one with this, so thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.